Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring and reducing demands. Run a speed test so you know kbps or mbps, then pick the least congested network. Once you have a baseline, enable YouTube's data saver or choose offline download for essential videos. This prevents buffering. Make sure to set playback quality to 144 360p to cut bandwidth use. You should also close background apps that sync or upload. They silently steal throughput. These immediate steps get you into a low-net workflow fast and reliably. Once done with basics, optimize how you send and receive content. Compress uploads with H.264 or H.265 and choose a lower target bitrate to reduce file size without losing crucial clarity. Schedule uploads for off-peak hours when network strain is lower, and set upload priority to 1/4 or low in your uploader app. For playback, make sure to disable autoplay and prefetch so YouTube doesn't pull extra data. This keeps your bandwidth focused on what you want to watch now. To finish, confirm your upload completed or that playback is smooth at the chosen quality. Test on another device if unsure. If problems persist, provide a fallback. Make an offline download available or share a low-res link set to 144 240p so viewers can still access content. If things go wrong, reboot your router first, then try switching DNS or tethering to a phone hotspot. These final checks and one simple troubleshooting chain will resolve most low-net YouTube issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.